Hey, it's Rebecca. I'm downtown Montreal right now, enjoying the culture and the fashion and the people and the food, of course. And I was writing a newsletter this morning and I spoke briefly about why people sabotage their own dating process. And it happens all the time. And I think it's worth doing a short video about. So hear me out. Often we'll hear from people that are incredibly picky. They want somebody so particular that what ends up happening is that the person that they're seeking is not really inexistent. They have become so particular on who that person might be that their ability and opportunity to meet somebody and get into a fulfilling, wonderful relationship is really low. And why do people do that? I'm going to tell you. People do that because they are scared. There's fear behind that. They do that because maybe they've been hurt before and they're concerned that that might happen again. So instead of really being open to that person, they make themselves closed to everybody. Also, it's a control thing. People say, I'm paying for a process, whether that's through a matchmaking service or a dating site, and they want to be particular. They want to say, I believe this is exactly who I'm looking for. They are just this way and I'm not going to settle. My question to those people are, how do you know who it is that you're going to end up with? How do you know that the person that you think is for you is actually for you? So instead of sabotaging things and being picky and saying that you're not going to settle, what you should be doing is being open and saying, you know what? I'm going to give this an opportunity. I'm going to put my heart, mind, and soul out there and see who might be out there for me. And I'm going to say yes. And if I have at least a little bit in common with somebody, even if I don't find their photos incredibly attractive, if I'm not really drawn to them physically, I'm going to have a call with them and see. And you will surprise yourself. You'll end up falling for somebody that you did not expect. And this, my friend, is what we want. This is what's going to lead you to a happy, fulfilling, loving, and meaningful relationship. Okay, so we believe in you and we think that you can do this. Just don't sabotage things and really believe that your ability to find a loving, successful relationship is there, because we know it's there for you.